Hello guys, I'm back. So I want to show you my dog. My dog is here. Here's my dog. Wait, papakita ko muna sa inyo. Yan. Okay, that's my dog. Ano ma? Okay, I'm so sorry because my mom want to tabi my medal because I'm so smart.
Keep my medal.
Keep my medal. Here's my medal. I have 2 medals. Yeah, because when I'm a kid, I know how to read English and Filipino. I love to read because that read make me smart, and I like to play my dog. Here's her. Okay. Wait lang mga fans. Papakita ko sa inyo po ang aso ko.